Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to replace front wheel bearing hub on your Toyota Prius. This second generation, 2005. It started making noises. I felt vibrations on the steering wheel, so I'm gonna need to replace it now. So first detach the caliper. I detach the rotor. I remove this wheel speed sensor. It's 10mm bolt. Also remember the view that you see through the hole, because you're gonna have to position it the same way. Now I'm gonna remove the axle knob. I'm renting 30mm socket for that and a breaker bar. I'm gonna detach this whole thing. I'm gonna start with removing these 3 bolts. 17mm. Axle. Actually came right out the axle. And you take out this cup. So now you got access to these 4 bolts. It's holding the bearing inside. Take them out, all 4 of them. This is 14mm. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect this joint. There's a little spring here, and then you're gonna need to remove this nut. This one is 17mm. I'm gonna remove these 2 bolts. Okay, now I'm just gonna use a hammer. Okay, now I'm just gonna clean it. Some salt in there. So it's all clean now. Clean it with a sandpaper. I'm going to apply some grease. So I'm going to install a new shield. The old one is pretty rusty. Make sure you install it in the right direction. So here it should be flat. The side of this band should be on going to the back. Now install the top side first. Bit of a spring. I'll turn it. Tighten the 4 bolts. Now reinstall this ring. There is a hole in there for the wheel speed sensor, so you're gonna need to make sure it's on the left side. Lubricate the axle. Reinstall the axle. Install the bottom part. I'll reinstall the little sensor. Now for this nut you need to use the torque wrench, and it should be 170 foot-pounds. Okay, good. Since I'm ready here, I'm gonna replace the install the rotor. Now I'm going to detach the caliper. It's 14mm. Going to clean them a bit. So I cleaned them a bit. You also want to check guide bolts. They should be moving pretty easily. I'm gonna add some grease in there. Just want to make sure there's enough grease. Now you need to put some grease on the pads so they don't squeak. Maybe you need to depress it a little bit. So I'm going to use a special tool to depress it. Okay, so you're all done. Thanks for watching and good luck.